Adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Two angles are said to be adjacent if they share a common vertex and have a common arm or side. Like O is a vertex and A, B and C. There are two angles, angle AOB and angle COB. Two angles are there now, angle AOB and angle BOC. They are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex and one common arm. Common vertex is O and common arm is OB. So that's why angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have one common vertex and one common arm. Complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Like here I draw angle BA, that is of 90 degree. If I draw one angle in between C, this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. When we add angle BOC and COA, angle BOC plus COA is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Na? It means both the angles are complementary angles. They are complement to each other. Next one is supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angles. Like A, B, C and O. This is 62 degree, this is 118 degree. When we add angle BOC and COA, angle BOC plus COA, that is equal to 118 plus 62 degree is equal to 180 degree. It means angle BOC and COA are supplement to each other. They are supplementary angles. One is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Two intersecting lines make four angles. When two lines intersect each other at a point, they make four angles: 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four angles na. Vertically opposite angles means the angles that is exactly opposite to each other. Angle 1 is opposite to angle 3 na. Angle 1 opposite to angle 3 and angle 2 and opposite to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That is called vertically opposite angle, that are exactly opposite.